Hello, and welcome to this short video on the Super Viser clamp. The Super Viser clamps have added a couple of new features. There are two types of Super Viser clamps. There is a 3-inch center jaw in the lineup, and a 4-inch, 9-inch, and 17.5-inch center jaw clamps. A chamfer cut into the threads on the main shaft keeps the jaw plates aligned on top of one another. Without the chamfer, the plates just rotate around willy-nilly. To mount the clamp, simply place the jaws around either a round or flat object and turn the large wing nut clockwise until securely fastened. Once snug, you have the option to place the light fixture or accessory on the baby 5/8-inch pin. A big feature of the Super Viser center jaw clamps is the hex receiver, designed to take dozens of convi, mainfer, or super clamp attachments, making it a complete system. Alternatively, you can mount a grip head with a hex stud just by pressing the button on the side of the receiver. Insert the hex pin into the receiver and release the button. Just tighten the knob to secure it in place. Now we could slide the grip arm through the baby hole in the grip head. Lastly, we can insert the pin from this flag into our grip arm. Now that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. When it comes to your image making dreams and your grip equipment, at Kupo, we like to say, never let go.